everyone. Welcome back to Paul's Learning Hub.
So, dear all, welcome to our new topic. The topic of the day will be India, size and location. So, you are all new to this class. I hope all of you have the textbook, geography textbook. So, when you open the geography textbook, this will be your first chapter, India, the size and location. As we all know about India, our motherland, it has progressed a lot in the field of agriculture, industry, education, health, and overall and economic development. So, dear students, let us go for a quick review of the chart. Here you can see in front of you, I have made a rough sketch of the globe. Just like you are studying in the previous classes, there are a lot of imaginary lines. We call it imaginary lines. There are a lot of imaginary lines that run east to west direction as well as north south directions. The lines that run from east to west direction, we call them latitudes. Once again, I am repeating, dear students, the lines that run east to west directions are called latitudes. On the globe, there are 181 latitudes we will get. So already I have drawn a latitude in the center of the globe. So this latitude will be considered as the 0-degree latitude. We call it 0-degree latitude or equator. The other name for this 0-degree latitude is equator. So, it is very clear from the figure that this 0-degree latitude is dividing our earth into two equal parts. That is the reason why this latitude got the name equator. It equally divides earth into two equal parts. The part that lie in the northern side of the equator is known as northern hemisphere, and the part that lies towards the south of equator is known as southern hemisphere. Once again, the part that lies north of equator is known as northern hemisphere. The part that lies south of the equator is known as southern hemisphere. So it is very clear from the figure. So now I am going for one more line. So this line running from north to south direction, so we call them as like longitudes. So here in the middle of the globe, I have made a line, almost it is 0-degree longitude. The name given for 0-degree longitude is prime meridian or time meridian. The name time meridian is given for this because all over the world, the time is calculated on the basis of this prime meridian. It is passing through Greenwich in London. Remember, the line prime meridian is passing through Greenwich in London is taken as the time meridian for all over the world. So it is very clear now, dear students. First we have divided them into northern hemisphere as well as southern hemisphere by the equator line, the 0-degree latitude. And after this, we have divided it into western part and eastern part. Eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. And where will be the location of the Indian subcontinent on this globe? So roughly I am going to write it here somewhere. India. So we have approximately located the Indian subcontinent here on the globe. So as a first point, now we can say the location of India. India is located in the first northern hemisphere. As a first point, we can say India is entirely located in the northern hemisphere. And when we look into the east-west direction, once again we can improve the same definition as our motherland, Indian subcontinent, is entirely located in the eastern half of northern hemisphere. The location of India, it is entirely located in the eastern part of northern hemisphere. I hope all of you understood well. The location of India, it is entirely located in eastern half of northern hemisphere in the world map. So if someone asks, where are you going to locate the Indian subcontinent on the world map? The first point that you have to tell, that you have to use, is that it is located in the northern half, and after that we can say in the eastern part. So it is located in the eastern part of northern hemisphere. So after the first point, we are going to enter into the second point. When we locate India on the basis of longitude and latitude, what will be the location of India? Between which two longitude or between which two latitude our motherland, Indian subcontinent, is located? Let us see. So first let us go for latitudinal extent. So it is the southernmost latitude on which the Indian subcontinent is located. From this figure, it is very clear the southernmost latitude is denoted as 8 degree 4 minute north. The southernmost latitude of India is 8 degree 4 minute north, and the northernmost latitude will be 37 degree 6 minute north. So as the second point, we can say India is located between two latitudes. The southernmost latitude will be 8 degree 4 minute north, and the northernmost latitude will be 37 degree 6 minute north. So this, I hope all of you understood. And after this, let us go for the longitudinal extent. The first easternmost longitudinal extent is 68 degree 7 degree east, and another side will be denoted by 97 degree 25 minute east. So from the figure it is very clear India is located between 68 degree 7 east and 97 degree 25 minute east longitudes. So this is our third point. India is located between 68 degree 7 east longitude and 97 degree 25 minute east longitude. So it is very clear from the figure. The latitudinal extent of India is 8 degree 4 north and 37 degree 6 north, and the longitudinal extent will be between 68 degree 7 east and 97 degree 25 east. Okay. I want to tell two more points from this topic. So here you might have noticed a longitudinal extent is written here, 82 degree 30 east. So this longitude is taken as the standard meridian of India. That means the total time all over India will be determined by this meridian. 82 degree 30 east. The meridian which is passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. Once again, the meridian that is passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh is taken as the standard time meridian for India. The time difference from the prime meridian to the standard meridian of India will be 5 hours and 30 minutes. This will be the time difference between prime meridian and the standard meridian of India. And I am going to indicate one more latitude here. It is known as 23 degree 30 minute north latitude, which is almost dividing our subcontinent into two equal parts. This latitude is also called Tropic of Cancer. It is called Tropic of Cancer. Here we have seen one important latitude other than the longitudinal or latitudinal extent. The first one is 23 degree 30 minute north latitude. This is known as Tropic of Cancer, which divides India into two equal halves. And one important longitude 82 degree 30 east, which is taken as the standard meridian of India.